Okay, so we're about to load up our Bencini Koroll, our old 6x6 camera. It's the Italian-made aluminium camera. The first thing we're going to do is actually lift that up, and we're going to remove the metal pickup roll that it had, because I haven't never seen one of these in my entire life. They've always been plastic. We're going to replace it with a plastic one because I want to keep that one. We'll fit that in there. Get that. Nice. We'll grab our pack of Ilford Pan F, because remembering this camera has one shutter speed, which is a 30th of a second, and one aperture, which is f11. It's quite limiting, and good old Pan F, she's pretty solid film in terms of giving you some flexibility. So we'll go with that if we can actually get the label off it. That's just a little bit awkward there. Okay, so we'll lift this up. Be able to slot that in down there. It's quite tight. We'll do that. And to make it small, they've been very they've made their camera quite tight. We'll get that out of there. We'll just roll this across here. Get that into place. Start rolling that across. Get that line out. Shut it. Lock that down. Open up our little window. Roll out the film, and remember, the other thing about this camera is that there's no shutter cocking. It simply fires every time you push the button.